Hey, this is a $10,000 website. This is a AI-Slop website. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this one-shot prompt to create a awesome hero or website, really, but mainly the hero section here. So this is going to be the site that how to build it. So I went around the hard way, and now that I figured out how to do it, the AI actually is giving away the prompt. The AI said, hey, you can do this here in one prompt. And so I'm going to be giving away the prompt for you. It's in the description area so that you can create your own video or your own website as well. Well, welcome to another episode of Watch Me Work. My name is Abraham Shong. I don't have time to build content, and so habit stacking is where I do one thing, but it serves two purposes. So the one thing is I'm building a website for my organization, and you get a chance to hang out with me and watch me work, go to market with. So how do you build this website here? So coming back, let's exit out of this here. When I've decided that I wanted to start and build this website, I didn't really know how to build this website. And I looked at a whole bunch of different awards winning website, and none of it was really matching with what I wanted. And so I went and did it the hard way. I'm kind of show you what I did, and let me go all the way back to the very beginning, right? So I'm showing you the hard way, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the easy way of how this is done. So let me show you the hard way first. Explore these two sites. Now this site is kind of interesting, right? This site had a concept of what I want, and even though I gave the AI this site, it didn't know how to build this out here. So I had to learn the hard way. So this is the site. Now this is my current website, and my current website, I want to change it. And if you come in here, it's okay, it's okay. It looks fine. It's not a bad website, but it looks like AI made this website. This is what people are calling AI-Slop. It's actually built on, I use AI. This is about 4 months ago. So the technology was a little bit older, not as strong as it is today. And I use AI to build this in HTML, and then I use Wix to host the site, which is really older technology, older way to get things done. So this was the old site, and I needed to modernize it and build it using a newer technology. So I came here, gave this information here, and however, I'm open to you, wow me, and so forth. So the AI went, visited my website, and it said, okay, this is the site that it created for me here. Let me show you. So it was okay, right? The site was okay. It just wasn't, as spectacular. It wasn't wowing me. So after we went back and forth the hard way, let me show you one of the versions that it created. So this is the old site. This is the site that Claude Code was building for me. And it built pretty much the same thing. The only difference is it added a little, I don't know what stellar constellation that is, but so it just took the old site and just rebuilt it without any bells and whistles. It's okay. It's not bad, but it's not this, or definitely it's not this, right? Hey, this is a $10,000 website. This is a AI-Slop website. So we went through this back and forth, and it created me multiple versions. And I kept on going and say, hey, I'm not happy with this here, and try this, try that, try this, try that. So finally, it gave me a new concept. But it was still going with go to bed, and it was just so text heavy, and I just wasn't happy with it. And I was like frustrated with, with it. And I said, okay. So finally, let me show you at the very end. At the very end, I said, right before that there. So I just had to be truthful to the AI. I said, I'm not feeling this here. Any of these designs, they're too text heavy, they're not image driven, they're not animated enough, and just not happy. I said, hey, I want 2 new concepts. Give me your thoughts. Maybe we need to start something different, right? So at some point, you just have to give up on this AI here. And so I asked the AI, I said, so what's your recommendation? AI said, hey, I will start a fresh session. This AI said, I give up. I want you to start a fresh session. So I said, okay, well, give me the keys. Give me the prompt to it. So the AI, we actually, right? I told the AI that I wanted to use a few tools, right? I wanted to use Higgs field, and hyperframe, and just so that it can have the better tools to help create what it needs to do. The handoff I gave it, and then it said, okay, well, so for this session here, just say, okay, let me go and do some design sprint for you. Let me just mock up some content. And it took about, I would say, maybe, let's see how long it took, probably about 30 minutes or so to render this concept. And so this is just the concept, and it rendered these concepts. The hard way to do it, which I've watched a whole bunch of different YouTube videos on how to create it, and no one has something similar to what I want to do. So I gave it what I needed, and then it went out and finally it created what I wanted. So that's kind of how we got here. So I'm very satisfied with the site. If you've been hanging out with me, I'm very satisfied with the site. If you've been hanging out with me, I'm gonna give you the prompt so that, and here's what I did, right? I asked the AI, I said, hey, I did it the hard way, but I want you to, if I was gonna rebuild this site here, how can I do it with just one prompt? And that's what the AI gave me. So this is the prompt that the AI gave me. Oh, not that one. This is the prompt that the AI gave me. So the AI called this here a particle hero for any brand, a one-shot build prompt. And so we built this site, but you can actually use this prompt here to build any site you want. All you need to do is give it your logo, and your color scheme, and the AI will, anything with those brackets, that's what you need to give it. And the AI will go and build an awesome site for you like this here. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me on building an awesome hero landing page. But really the AI built everything else because I already had the other site. So the AI went and built out the platform, this page here, and the AI made this video. This is a one prompt video that the AI created as well. If you want to learn how I did that, go watch the other video, which I actually show you how I did a 90-second explainer video using Fable 5 to do the whole thing. I did not script it. I did not edit it. The only thing I did was I gave it one video clip of what the app looks like, and the AI did everything else. So go watch the other video. All right, if you want a copy of the one prompt to create your own website. I love my website. You know, how many people can say, I love, I will see you in another episode of Watch Me Work, Watch Me AI, and hang out with me. Peace. Have a good one.